everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to enable Wi-Fi services on Mac device. So we have to just open a terminal and run these three command which is mentioned on your display as well. So just try and fix your issue. If you are not able to fix your issue via this command, just ping me or drop me a message in my comment box in video. So definitely I will reply to that person and try to fix that issue via another steps. So it's a very basic issues. I thought so many people are facing same issue in his environment. So today I got a message from that one person, and that person asked me to just share the command. So I thought I have to make a video on this topic as well, so I'll just make a video and upload on my YouTube channel. So it will very helpful command, and definitely if anyone follow this steps while facing Wi-Fi services on Mac device, it will help for them as well. If not working, so again I'm saying same thing, just ping me a message in comment box. I will help to that person. So thank you for watching my videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and like as well. So thank you.